Hey guys, Nolan here from MarineMax Rogers, standing here today with this 2025 G25 from Nautique, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite features on this boat today. Nautique's G series, for their 100-year anniversary in 2025, went to this new hull design, which was the Paragon, it still is the Paragon hull. They just brought it into the G's as well. So for the G series specifically, this is a new hull, and it's, you know, the design, the lines, the color options, everything about this exterior design, this hull, is one of my top 3 features on this boat. Secondly, on this boat is the mocha interior with the brown floor. Deep, rich brown colors. This one has a black, dark gray accent color. Come up through here, bows filler cushion. You also have mocha pillows to complete the bow space here. So this interior color is one of my favorite features from Nautique, and particularly on this boat. And since we're talking about cool features, this in-floor removable cooler in every G series boat rounds out my list of top 3 features on a Nautique G.